Welcome back, everyone. So this is a drone drop for September 2018. Just going to do a quick unboxing here and just show you all the content. So excited for this box. Let's see what's in it together. Woohoo! All right, let's go unbox. All right, so we've got some more stickers. Everybody loves stickers. Oh, everybody's going to like ice cream during the winter coming up. Yeah. So we got a Helio drone drop. All right, let's see what we got here. We got a Ethics battery strap. All right, great. Looks like it doesn't have that seam right there. I like that. It doesn't really seem rubberized, but hey, it might still hold your battery on it maybe. All right, well, I guess everyone's already seen the big item. It is the spring, or the Helio spring all-in-one. We'll be doing a little video coming up on this, hopefully on all the wiring and everything. It looks like it has purple little cushion mounts there, whatever you call them, type of soft mounts. But yeah, this is the all-in-one flight controller. Alright, so the ones that want to use 4-in-1 ESCs on here, looks like you're going to have to solder each wires on individually. But that's okay. I believe I was seeing this one is, looks like this one's about $46 brand new. So that's a pretty good deal here for drone drop. Alright, so we've got some battery grip pads here from Black Sheep. Let's see. That's pretty nice. Looks like it comes with 3 of these in there. They don't feel like the sticky ones from like the Oh My God ones. So it just looks like they're just standard. I don't know, actually it has a film on it, so it is them sticky ones. It's just like the Oh My God ones. So you get 3 of these in this pack. So that's pretty good. That's actually a pretty good deal. Let's see here, we get 3 sets of props. Looks like we've got the Cyclone 5051Cs, orange color. So you get 1, 2, 3 of these. Looks like we get some more stickers here. Some more stickers. Solder me, baby. Fly Helio. That's pretty cool sticker. Then we get, it looks like a TBS 2.5 millimeter Allen head here, so that's good. And then we get a TBS solder holder. So it doesn't have solder in there, it just has a little spring in there, and you're supposed to push some down in there. Or actually, no, it looks like this is solder in here, so that's great. So we get some solder here. We get some, it is a 6337 mix. Looks like flux 1.8%. It's a 1 millimeter diameter. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks like some nice flux, hopefully, or nice solder. So that's great. So that is all that's in the box. Looks like the value on this box is definitely here. I am going to look pretty excited about doing butterfly. I don't know what I feel like having, like another flight controller. We just got a flight controller 2 boxes ago. Anyways, it's supposedly a good flight controller. So, alright, well, thanks a lot for watching, and, well, now you know what's in the box. The Rock out.
Make the ground shake.